Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you.
Now let me show you how simple it is to use it. So we are inside of a real transformer, and this is what you get once you log in and you click on create a video. And the next thing is that you can choose the language you want to work with, and then it gives you different prompts that you can give it as a story idea. We are adding more as we go, and then you just click on one of these or you create your own. Now the next thing is to choose the framework, and in my case I'm just going to go with this one. I'm going to choose the hook as transformational one. I'm going to choose the tone to be emotional, and I want storytelling video. So what I want to do next is select how many minutes it should last for. So I'm just going to go with 2. Now you can choose shorts or you can go with YouTube depending which style you want. And let's click on generate story. It normally takes a couple minutes to generate a story depending on how long the video is. Obviously for a 10-minute story, it's going to take a little bit longer to make it happen. So once the story is generated, you are going to have complete story right here, and you can click on edit and edit every single word in this if you wanted to, but obviously this is done for you. You can also edit each individual slide. The next thing that this software does automatically, it creates scenes based on the story. Now, if we click on next, what we can do is change the voice that you have, the media output. You can make it stock B-rolls, AI generated, your own uploads, or animated background. And let's just say I wanted to use animated background. All I would need to do is click here and it would create this type of animated background for this video. Now, if I wanted to create AI generated, I can switch and I click on this right here. But for my case, this time I'm going to leave it with stock B-roll footage. And if you wanted to, you can click and change every single one of these that we have right here. So since this is storytelling video, I want to use this sound. So all I have to do is click on this.
In a world obsessed with noise, the quiet ones hold a power most people will never understand.
So now I can select this as my voiceover and I click on generate voiceover. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to generate a voiceover, again, depending on how long the video is. Once it's done, it's going to give you this message, and then what you need to do is click on next and it's ready to render. So click on rendering and it's going to take a couple of minutes to generate the entire video. Now that the video is generated, it's ready to download. All you have to do is click on download video right here and it's going to download to your download folder. Another thing is it creates a ready-made titles as well as the description. Same for TikTok, and you can use these for other platforms as well. So once you finish this, all you have to do is click on finish and your video is going to stay in your stories right here. Simple as that. And take a look at the examples of these videos that we have for you.